Because I am for 30 years I am doing this, and I am a chemical engineer in fact. So I know the processes, industries, and also worked there in industries. And I have office all over India. So I know every state's problem, committee's problem, even MOF, Delhi's problem. Everywhere it is different. Law is one. The procedures are different.
Where do you find it difficult? What are the states and what are the sectors?
The main issue, see, apart from the kickback and all that, that is a different story. We will not go into that. All stories I know. As yesterday, menu card, I think we should put a menu card for new people. No, this is a menu card, so it is easy for them. So otherwise, kisko kitna dena, how it? They know. First of all, I am going to write a book, a handbook of corruption. So for new people to so they know whom to approach. So their life is easy. People are ready to give, but they don't know. For them also, that is a problem. Go around and go. That's their story. Thing is, main. I very fully agree with Secretary Kurian, I suppose. Yeah. First of all, what is happening, even from both sides, from the industry side also a problem. These are all regulations, acts, they have the ambiguity. And this ambiguity, every committee will take as per their understanding. It is not always kickback part.
So I am told that in Kerala, if you go for, if you approach State Environment Impact Assessment Authority, it takes 8 months, minimum 8 months. Where in many other states, it takes lesser time. And Kerala, your State Environment Impact Assessment Authority goes for site visits, whether it is a smaller project or a bigger project. So what is your experience when you work with in different states, and whether it is necessary to have the site inspection even for a smaller project?
Yes, there are two things. In all other states, they don't go to site visit on each and every. Here it is compulsory, they will go depending upon if there is certain case of this complication is there, they see some surrounding area or some problematic area, then only they will.
Moment when application comes, there are n number of complaints reaches them. So that is
in our India, major issue is of RTI. That has spoiled lot of things. It is not sometimes, because I know all these members in all over India, all such, I know friendly with them. They are not sometimes doing it deliberately. Because of this RTI, if you want to give the logically something, some RTI will say, had you visited the site? No. They then say, no. Who will go into this whole problem? Let us visit. Even though it is not compulsory, let us visit. And in Kerala, because I know since 1986, and here everybody is against union and fighting. Greens, NGOs, go on this coastal area. Good for the environment, but sometimes it is used otherwise.
So do you suggest these three boxes, green, orange, red, and now the Tamil Nadu state with the white box also? Is it the right approach?
The right approach is making the boxes, making the consent, it is very typical. Monitoring and implementation is the only thing. You say, see, I was called by the Dubai government because about 2-3 years back, because they have so many buildings from Dubai to Abu Dhabi on that coastal, all huge buildings and multi very high-rise buildings. Then they also thought, let us have some sort of a environmental, sort of a form or NOCs. They have very simple, they make it. If you do this, you are inside. Nothing doing. Don't any solid waste is gone inside, any sewage is not recycled, complete. You are inside. Here we have Environmental Protection Act, and it is a criminal.
How many criminal prosecutions are there?
I know till my 30 years two. One is at Karnataka, one more.
How's your life before, pre and post notification as an agency getting into environment impact assessment? What's your life? What's your business before and after this notification?
See, before, I will give you, I had one designed and set up one plant here in Fab Dichem It was for choir in Cochin in around 1985. There was at least dyes have a so effluent, colored effluent and all that. Then he said I have approached pollution board, he make one pit, treat there. I made a pit, he came, I gave him 50 rupees, he gave us the consent next day. Now today making a dye effluent, recyclable, usable or throwable. You have to have so many type of equipments and systems and it's very difficult. It is actually not possible to treat this effluent. All other foreign countries have stopped making dyes and raw material for the dyes. They ask all of India, Sri Lanka, you do it, pollute here and give it the material to us. That is again the different subject. What is happening? Awareness and making yourself, that awareness, it has taken a time. It will come. Because industries and their forefathers and they were at 86 at that time when I started, 1986 I started, that time it was not such an importance. A pollution board, some paper is consent, something is there. Then wherever you go, that the factory owner to say, "Arey patavi napo na, kya hai?" They want something new thing to patavi napo. OVC and patavi napo. But their generation, their children, they are gone abroad. They had studies in abroad. Now they have the awareness. They understand, no, we should not do this. We should also see that environmental, we are a responsible citizen, so we should not do that. We should treat this. Everybody wants to do it. I am telling you, it is not like that. Everybody, सबको ही करना है कि नहीं हमको सभी all rules can be broken. I can manage. There are some 10-15%. 85% people want to do it with reasonable cost. With reasonable cost, they want to do it. But our system doesn't allow them to do it for various reasons.